Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Cassie. I am super excited this morning and that is because I have lighting, I have a backdrop. I just feel so like professional. But no, seriously, like this was a godsend because today is a gloomy day and I've been having to film all my videos with natural light, which in my house, I don't really get the best natural lighting. My house is kind of dark. So like these could not have come at a better time. And I'm just so excited to be able to produce more high quality videos. Yeah, as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing like an affordable drugstore mom type makeup. I'm on the go, I want to leave, you know, the house, I gotta go run errands and I don't want to look like this. So most of the time I just want to be able to throw on makeup in about like 10 to 20 minutes and then be out the door. I do go out, you know, plain Jane sometimes, but like I have breakouts going on my face and today I have some places to go that I just don't want to look busted. So I was like, let me just film myself getting ready. So if you want to see how I achieve my affordable mom makeup, keep watching. Okay, so I'm also gonna be trying a few new things. They are not new to everybody else, but they're new to me. So yeah, so first of all, I'm going to prime my face. This is not new. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This primer I think is like $4 or $5. It's like really inexpensive and I like it. I feel like it does kind of blur. It is really thick. Really just trying to like concentrate it under my eyes, like around my nose right here is where I get the largest pores. So they need to go. All right, so first thing that is new to me, which I know everybody's gonna be like, girl, where you been? But it is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I don't know why, but I just like haven't tried this. But I mean, I can always tell that it's like a really popular product because every time I'm going to Target, like my shade is never there. So, but we're finally going to try it. And I'm going to be using a Real Technique sponge. I'm gonna try putting it on the sponge first and see how that goes. And this may be a little too light. I don't know about you, but I don't know if it's just because this is like, I mean, I don't know. I feel like it's my color because I don't see any like line right here. I don't think the color is too bad. What color is this? This is 108 Caramel Beige. This I feel like is like a really cool undertone. So I don't think it's really complementing my skin very well. But we're gonna try to make it work. I really like this Real Technique sponge. I like how freaking big it is. I love it. And I like the flat side too. I don't feel matte either. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of it. Okay, next thing I'm going to try is the, don't mind me, I am going out to get my nails done after this video, so please don't judge my nails. They are a hot mess. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I have been wanting to try this since, I can't even get the freaking top off. Hello. But literally I like just moisturize my face so my hands are kind of still slippery. I can't even like twist. Oh, there we go. Is the product there? Is she there? Let's see. Yep. Oh, this is weird. This is so weird. I'm not sure if I like this little you, sir. I don't know if I like you. This is weird. So I just wanted to try it because I needed to find a new concealer to use, and I'm gonna try to blend this out also with my little Real Technique sponge. So I feel like this is going to be a how to fix your makeup because this is way too light, and it doesn't look that light. And this, I think in the store that I got it from, There was one shade darker than this, and I thought it was going to be too dark. I thought it was going to be my skin tone and it wasn't going to highlight. But this one I feel is like really light. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. Not my favorite. Not my favorite. I don't know what to do. I do have a this NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer, which I honestly thought was a little bit light, but it's a little bit more yellow than that Maybelline one. So I feel like maybe I'll try and even things out just a little bit because I do want to look alive, you know? I just don't like how this is looking. So I'm just going to put a little bit on with my, yeah, see? Yellow, I need yellow, people, not white, like, come on. I feel like it definitely did a better job. Let me do the other side. It definitely did a better job, just a little bit more, concealing my bags. So I definitely am not a fan of this Maybelline Age Rewind, which I mean, I was really mad because everybody talks so highly of it, but that just goes to show you it does, what works for one person may not work for you, no matter how bad you really want it to. All right, so now I'm going to set the concealer under my eyes, and I'm going to use the NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It matte finishing powder. That kind of reminds me of the infomercial for the rotisserie chicken, the set it and forget it. I don't know. I think it was Set It and Forget It. I was like a freak for infomercials when I was young. Like and my mom will vouch for me, like I don't know what it was, but I used to watch all that stuff, like the set it and forget it. That knife that they used to cut through like stone with. I don't know, I'm like obsessed. I'm like obsessed. So I'm just gonna take some of this powder and set it under my eye. That smells kind of weird. Kind of smells like plastic. But you need to, ooh, I like this. I like this. Honestly, I didn't buy this recently, but I don't think I've ever used it. And I like it. I like it. And if it's NYX, that means it's not, you know, like, it's still affordable because NYX is sold at, you know, Target and Ulta. So yeah, I'm just setting every place that I I'm setting every place that I, you know, put down concealer. I'm also going to set my eyelids because I put concealer there too. So far, I really like this. I really like this. This looks nice. All right, now I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and get rid of whatever is left over. I really hope this did not break. Okay, it broke like out of the thing. But I just didn't want this to break because I was just about to say oh, it snaps right back in. Hello. This one is actually a NYX powder blush, but it's a really like dark color. So I feel like it works as a blush slash bronzer for me. And I was gonna be like really heartbroken if it just shattered on the floor. I'm going to use my Sephora bronzer. So yeah, because I feel like I'm just like, maybe it's early and maybe I'm too excited and I was really expecting this to just all work out, and you know how you really want something to work out and it just don't. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. So I am going to use my Sephora bronzer. This is in the shade, I don't know if it's Canary Islands dark or just dark. I don't know. I really like it because it's not like too shiny. See, there we go. And I need some type of color in my face. All right, and now just going to blend that all out with a big fluffy brush. Okay, so now I feel like things look a little bit better. It's coming together slowly but surely. I don't know what I was thinking, because I think I said in the beginning of this video that this was going to be quick. This is not quick. This is taking me so long. Typically, if I am just putting on makeup to go out, I usually just take whatever bronzer I have and put it just, you know, in my eye. So since the NYX one is still affordable, we're going with the theme. I'm going to take that one and I'm just gonna put it on my eye so my eye's not too flat. And I'm not like trying to, you know, keep it in one certain spot. I'm just trying to pretty much go over the lid, a little bit into the crease, just something. And also I just want to mention that all of my brushes from this video, well, pretty much all my brushes all together come from the drugstore. This is an e.l.f. brush. Let's see. This is an e.l.f. brush, Real Techniques. And then these ones that I love with the pretty print, they are Sonia Kashuk. I don't know. And she's also available at Target. Okay, so now I'm going to use a little bit of mascara, and I am using the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline, and this is Makeup Shayla's line collab, and this is in Baddest Black. And I mean, I just really like this wand. Like, hello, I don't know, I just like it. And I just want to put this out there that I did order Makeup Shayla's collab with ColourPop, so if you want to see me use that, you just need to subscribe and just wait for that video. Yeah, I really like that mascara. That mascara is nice. Yes. All right, now I'm just going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. And this is in the shade 320 Tan. Natural Tan. I think this is also going to help me look alive. Okay, now I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and this is in the shade Gleam. Gleam. She looks like that. And once again, I'm going to use my, actually I need to spray my sponge again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She's cute or whatever. And I find that applying a liquid highlighter with a sponge is so much easier than anything else. I don't know, like when I first saw these, I was like, oh, you know, I'm just gonna use my finger and like tap, 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 then try to use a brush and brush and blend it out. And it does, no. I was like, Cassie, tripping, that didn't work. And I like these because you can, you know, keep blending and make them a little bit more subtle. But of course, like as soon as you put it on, they are like pow in your face. And I'm really like not trying to go in on this side because of this one right here. So, you know. And then once again, I just kind of take a big brush. I do this a lot. Anytime I do my eyeshadow, my face, I keep usually like one brush. I don't know why that word is so hard for me today. I try to keep one brush on hand to just use as like bringing everything together type of brush. All right, so I cleaned off any makeup foundation powder that I got on my lips because now I'm going to use the NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and this one is in the shade Tres Leches. And she's real cute. I really like the NYX butter glosses. I have another one. It's not the intense kind, but she's a real good like topper on top of any like lipstick that you have. And these smell like cupcakes. So I'm also going to be trying for the first time the Pixie Glow Mist. I haven't gotten anything. This is actually the first Pixie product I've tried ever. I'm super excited. It smells really good. Oh, it kind of smells like lemon. It smells fresh. It says all over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion enriched with 21 natural oils plus propolis, aloe vera, and fruit extract. So I'm sure there is lemon in here. I really do think that she added a really nice glow to my skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.